Hello again and welcome back to Between the Keys. Today I'm going to teach you how to play All That She Wants by Ace of Base. A different song, very different song, but part of my cruise ship set, and you never know, someone might want to learn it out there. So, it's in C sharp, here's C sharp minor, to B, to F sharp minor, C sharp minor, B, and F sharp. And it goes, she leads a lonely life. She leads a lonely life. And then we go into the verse. Now, strangely, on ultimate guitar, it changes that C sharp minor then to a C sharp major. And it does work. When she wakes up late in the morning light and the day has just begun, she opened her eyes and thought, oh, what a morning. That's G sharp. Back to C sharp. It's not a day for work, it's a day for catching a tan, just laying on the beach and having fun. She's gonna get you now. All that she wants is another baby. She's gone tomorrow now. All that she wants is another baby. Yeah. Let's stop it there and go back in time. Let's do that verse 1 again. When she woke up late, that's C sharp major, in the morning light and the day, B, these are all major chords. So we started, she leads a lonely life with the minor, and minor on the F sharp, but then we go major, and she woke up late in the morning light and the day had just begun. Now they're all major chords. She opened her eyes and thought, G sharp, oh what a morning. You could play the 7 on that one. Oh what a morning. C sharp major. Not a day for work, it's a day for having a tan, day for catch. That one is minor. Not a day for work, major, minor now. It's a day for catching a tan, down to E, now major. Just laying on the beach and having fun. C sharp, G sharp, and F sharp. She's going to get you now. And then you hit the G sharp 7 before you go into the chorus, which is all that she wants, minor, is another baby. Same as the intro. All that she wants is another baby. Yeah, let's just repeat it. All that she wants is another baby, but she's gone tomorrow, boy. All that she wants is another baby. Yeah. Now this is a bit of a tricky part because all that she wants is another baby. But we need to come back in with the verse 2, right? So, all that she wants is another baby. So if you are inside and the day is right, that's your first chord, first lyric for the second verse. So, all that she wants is another baby. So if you are inside and the day is right, you see how that comes in? It comes in early on the F sharp. In the song there's actually a break. So, all that she wants is another baby. Yeah, so you could just go around again without singing. And when it's sad and I forgot the lyric there. I need to look at the thing. So if you are inside and the day is right and a hunter, you're the fox, the gentle voice that talks to you won't talk forever. Let's make it a bit bigger so I can see. So if you are inside, now we're actually playing C sharp minor, so this is a confusing part. In that first verse it was all major, right? Until we got to the chorus. Is that right? Yeah. But then now in verse 2, we're playing minor. So if you are inside and the day is right, she's a hunter, you're the fox, gentle voice that talks to you, yeah, won't talk forever. It's a sight for passion, but the morning means goodbye. Beware of what is flashing in her eyes. She's going to get you now, all that she wants. Okay, what did I play? Let's slow it down. It was C sharp minor. If you are inside and the day is right, she's a hunter, that's B. You're the fox, B to F sharp minor. Same as the intro. Again, repeat, gentle voice that talks to you, but we go to G sharp. Won't talk forever. C sharp minor, it's a night for passion, F sharp minor, but the morning means goodbye. Don't play the 7 on the E, means goodbye. C sharp minor, beware of what is G sharp minor, flashing in her eyes. F sharp minor, back up. She's gonna get you now. And now we play minor instead of dominant. You could play either. Gonna get you now, gonna get you now. Both work, but this time it says minor, so I'm gonna play the minor. And I'll tell the band to do the same. Let's carry on with the next chorus. She's gonna get you now, all that she wants. Here's another baby, gone tomorrow, boy, all that she wants. Here's another baby, yeah. All that she wants. Here's another baby, she's gone tomorrow, boy, all that she wants. Here's another baby, yeah. Excuse me. Okay, that was All That She Wants by Ace of Base. Next up, what is next up? Pretty Fly for a White Guy. Not sure if I'm going to do this one. Pretty, very different song again, but I might do Living Da Vida Loca. That one's cool. So, as always, if you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. So you can look forward to that. It could be many different songs, but I think I'll do this one. There's a lot coming from Oasis and many more people like that. So if you have any requests as well, please put them below. See you next time. Ciao.